Comfort Slat mat started about 8 years ago when a group of farmers came to see us regarding the design of a mat. And we had a blank piece of paper. We could do what we wanted, but they had 4 problems with mats in general. Mats come up, mats go hard, mats are dirty, and mats expand. So basically our aim was to eliminate all those problems. So what we did was we designed a mat that has a clip mechanism here that goes onto the slat. It's spring loaded. We have a curve on top to get the urine off the floor and into the tank, therefore reducing the ammonia. We have a soft center here, so when the animal stands in it, he grips on it. And traditional mats had rough surfaces. What happens to the rough surfaces? They wear away. So we've come up with this original idea that stays down, that runs the whole length of the slat. There's no breaks in it, has a lovely curve and a soft center. Well, the valve system is very, very important. The valve system can be retrofitted to the mat or can be fitted when we're actually fitting the mat. It's a simple system that clips on. And the whole idea of that is when the urine and the feces roll off the curved mat and into the tank, it hits the valve system. The valve system opens like such and the urine and feces falls into the tank. And the valve system comes back, giving a seal which stops the ammonia emissions from coming up from the tank.
Well, I think the first thing is that it's 100% recyclable and no other mat is. The second thing is that it's made of 3 different materials, which is unique in mats, in that we have a hard surface on the top because it's the most aggressive environment you'll ever put any mat into or any material into. We have a soft center and we have a clip mechanism. All these give benefits for the farmer and for the animals, especially the animals, because the mat doesn't come up, the mat doesn't go hard, and the curved allows the urine and feces to flow into the tank and reduces ammonia from the top. Without the valve, reduces ammonia by 40%. It reduces methane by 16%. But when you retrofit the valve that we explained earlier in the program onto the mat, it reduces the methane by 19% and it reduces the ammonia by 50%. That's the equivalent if we in Ireland were to put our mat and valve system in this country with all our dairy farms and all our beef farms, we'd be taking roughly 3 million tonnes of carbon dioxide out of the environment, which is equivalent to approximately 1.2 million cars off the road. Well, we have further research and development to do, and we're undertaking now at the moment a programme with the Dutch government for veal, and we will manipulate the softness of the mat so that the younger animals can get more grip and more comfort on it. Our plans for the next 3 to 5 years, we're talking with agents in Italy, in Germany, about actually manufacturing in those countries. So what we intend to do is mirror image what we're doing here in other manufacturing companies so they can supply their markets. I suppose it's like a licensing agreement. Well, I think as a business we tick all the boxes. We're manufacturing, we're ISO approved. We have a unique product in that it looks after animal welfare and the environment. We have ISO 9002 since 1992. We've invested serious money over the last 6 or 7 years in R&D and continue to do so. So we would hope that, again, we would tick all the boxes and achieve this award.